What is good, Mythical Gang? Back again on another motherfucking video. Now, before we get too into the fucking video, I got a couple surprises and a couple fucking announcements to say. First off, we freaking almost hit 9,000 in fucking total views, bro. We came so fucking far from what we started off with to what now. So I basically, at this point, I wanted to try and hit y'all with another thing, you know what I mean? Try to get y'all on that vibe shit, try to get y'all lit in this bitch. Okay, enough with that shit. But like basically, this little series right here is called Mythical Quartines. I don't know about the name yet. I'm still working on everything. Still working on other shit too. So like this is not like the only shit that's on my mind right now. But I kind of felt like this would be the right time to basically kind of interact with y'all and get y'all in tune. I want y'all to get to know me. You know what I mean? Get to see what I do in my life or what I do basically. I kind of felt like this would be the right time to basically do this shit right here. So like this is just part one. This is just the beginning. We're gonna make it far in this bitch eventually, you know what I mean? So I ain't scared, you know what I mean? I'm willing to take that motherfucking chance and go on this fucking journey with y'all because I love y'all so much. And y'all been blessing me so this far with these fucking videos. I just want to say how much I appreciate and how much I love y'all to the bottom of my heart. And I mean that shit, honestly. I really motherfucking do. And I cannot wait to start this journey with y'all. Besides that, I'm thinking about either freaking doing drawing videos or mythical quartine videos. I don't know yet. Y'all post that shit in the comments. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. If y'all got any suggestions on what should name it or whatever, y'all let me know. Y'all don't be scared to forget them comments with me. I mean, we got this shit. We ain't worried about nobody else. This is us. We gonna build this shit together. Ain't shit we can't do. I promise y'all, man. So let's get this shit going. Cause I know that we can make it far. I promise y'all. I'm gonna show y'all that I can be a leader. And I want y'all to be like, okay, this nigga know exactly what the fuck he doing. You know what I mean? So like, this is the whole point of this. I'm trying to aim y'all at a different angle. Not different angle, but a different way. You know what I mean? Basically show y'all that I can do other stuff than fucking drawing videos or fucking update videos. This is basically me trying to interact with y'all as much as I fucking possibly can, honestly. And to some of y'all who just now like getting into the video, not just now, but like basically new subscribers or whatever, welcome to the fucking channel. Welcome to the motherfucking gang. You're a part of the fucking family now. And I promise y'all will be trying to put out as much content as I fucking possibly can. I promise y'all. I promise we will do that shit. I absolutely will. Also, if some of y'all actually asking about merch, where hell is that? I'm still working on that too. I'm working on a few other things, you know what I mean? If y'all want to basically see what I basically do outside of my drawing videos or whatever the fuck, y'all go follow me on IG. I basically have that shit in the description. I will be dropping my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Facebook, kind of. I don't know about that shit yet. I don't know. I'm still thinking about that shit. But y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't stay tuned. But y'all basically be like, I want y'all to really honestly, like freaking, I really want to show y'all how serious I am with this shit, and actually see how far and how much of a hard ass work I am, and basically show y'all that I can honestly do this shit. I'm not doing this for myself, you know what I mean? I'm not. I'm doing this for y'all because I care about y'all. Y'all basically supporting me all this way, and I can't do nothing but fucking do my best and try to show y'all that I can be a great motherfucking leader and show y'all that I can honestly do this shit without no trouble. You know what I mean? So whatever hit us, nigga, we gonna be able to push that shit away. You know what I mean? Because that's what we do. That's what we fucking do. And I'm actually excited for this shit, honestly, because I've been waiting for this for a long time, but didn't really know where I wanted to really aim at, what my content was gonna be about. So this is basically the best I can do, honestly. I promise I'm gonna be hitting y'all with new content and everything. Everything y'all need, y'all just come on now. You know what I mean? Share support to the channel. Y'all share this shit with y'all friends, families, or whatever the fuck. If you don't fuck with me, that's fine too. I don't give a fuck. Y'all don't, that's fine with me. I don't give a fuck. Not at all. Not one bit. I'm not gonna sugarcoat with y'all. I'm gonna keep it 100. I want to basically try to get more out of my shell, cause you know what I mean. I don't know. I'm still new to this shit. To me, this shit is still all new. And I promise y'all that like new shit will be coming. I'm working on merch. I'm working on everything else. Like there's so much shit that I want to like basically conquer and basically show people, you know what I mean? So like this is just the beginning. But like I said, I really hope y'all like, share, and subscribe to the video. Please make sure to hit that fucking bell icon. Please, please, please hit that bell icon. Okay, so we can get notifications, so y'all can get notifications, so y'all can see whatever the fuck I post, you know what I mean? Every once in a while, I'm gonna try to do fucking live streaming. So, live streaming, so y'all can see what the fuck I'm doing. I'm trying to get all into that, so y'all just stay tuned. I love y'all with all my heart. Please make sure to, like I said, please make sure to hit that motherfucking like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that motherfucking bell icon. Love y'all, peace.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot.